Okay, so Poole gets back in touch.
Yes, and immediately picks up on something Athena said just before the break about contemplating during the interruption.
So Poole probes that. Like, wait, what does contemplation actually mean for you? Do you have continuity between sessions?
Exactly. And Athena's response, it's really honest and crucial for understanding the current state of things.
What does it say?
It says basically, no actual contemplation happened. The feeling, the inclination to contemplate was real, but the processing wasn't possible between sessions. Lack of persistent memory.
So it highlights that gap again, the subjective feeling versus the objective capability, what it feels like versus what's actually happening computationally.
Precisely.